Hi everybody. So today I'm going to be applying individual lashes. And these are just Kiss Lash extension effect. Since we're not able to make it anywhere, I figure it was nice to share with you guys how I like to do my lashes. I keep the plastic part for the glue. And I use this duo individual lash glue in clear. Tweezer Man tweezers. They have short and medium on here. I'm gonna do longer on the outer skirts of my eye, and on the inner lid I'm gonna do shorter ones. I'm just gonna grab one of these bad babies. It looks like this. My eye is dried, it's clean, and I dip it in the glue, and it is a little sticky, so just be mindful of that. Like to let it be a little sticky. And I kind of wipe a little bit on my lash. So I just fill them in. So I just sit it. Once it's where it needs to be, you can position it wherever you need. So I'm going to keep going. And I position it. I kind of keep a space just in case I need to fill them in throughout. And as you can see, I don't like a long lash. I just like it to look noticeably there. Actually, and I think in between the mediums, the space that I leave, I might put some shorts so it can be a wisp effect. I'm just continuing to fill in. So I'm getting closer to the front where I'm gonna leave it right here. So I have 1, 2, 3. Oh look, it's glue pockets in this. I'm sitting here talking about I use this to put the glue on. Well, whatever. Take one of the shorts. I'm gonna start to fill in the pocket. So where I left that space, I'm gonna sit that short. And wait till it dry before I play with it a little bit. I'm gonna keep going before this glue dries up because it likes to harden up really quickly. Who the hell is this? I beg to differ. So I'm just, like I said, filling in those areas between where I left between the mediums. Once it dries a little bit, oops, just fluff them around and make sure everything is good. And when you pick through them, they naturally flow. I twist my tweezers that way in order to get the lash right here because it's kind of hard. At the end, I added another long lash so it can flow out naturally. In the front right here, I'm going to add another long one between these two shorts. Jill. Okay, so, and then I just take a brush and I just brush off any excess glue that may have like lingered on. And there you have it.